So welcome to GIS Madras. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to add a vector layer in QGIS. So first of all, just type in the search QGIS desktop and you can find the app here, that is application. Just click here. So we are going to just see how to add the vector layer, that is point, line and polygon. That is what we are going to look at in this video. So once the application has been opened, you can just click on the new empty project, and now we can just see how to add the vector layer here. You can find this option, open data source manager. Just click here. Under that we need to select vector. So vector is nothing but our shapefile, and now you can see on the right hand side corner browse option. Here you can browse your shapefile location where you have saved the shapefile. You can just browse in and select the appropriate shapefile. So first we are going to see how to add the point shapefile. That is nothing but it has been named as locations. So you can see under location there are a lot of file types available. Here you can see location.shp, and you should also check the file type. That should also be as shp file. Just open it and press the button add, and it will be automatically added. As you can see here, the point shapefile has been added successfully. This is one of the method how to add the vector layer in QGIS. I'm going to show you another method. You have to just go to the option layer, and that you can select add layer. Here also we should select add vector layer. So once you have opened it, you can see this being vector, and we need to browse the shapefile here under the right hand side corner. Now we are going to open a line, so that is polyline shapefile or vector file. Here you can see the Kaveri river.shp, and the file type should also be shp. Open it, add it. So you can see here the file has been added here. This is the polyline shapefile or a vector file. Now we finally see how to add the polygon shapefile. So same technique. Go to the option layers, add vector layer, browse the file, come down. You can see this is the polygon shapefile, and it is being named as state. Under that you can find state.hsp, state.shp. Two files is having the same shp. Now in that case you have to check the file type. Here you can see the file type shp file, and here you can see it is as XML document. So we need to always select the shp file type. Open it, add it, and we have successfully added the polygon vector file here. So I have shown you two methods how to add the vector layer. One is from adding from open data source. We should select vector and we should browse the shapefile. Another thing is that we can directly go to the option layers, go to the option add layer. From there you can select add vector layer. Once again we need to just browse in the file here. So if you have any doubts in this video, you can just ask in the comment section. I will be answering to your questions. Thanks for watching and goodbye.